If you have ever worked with the Stories editor within Brizy Cloud or Brizy WordPress, you're pretty much aware that even though it is done the Brizy way, it is done a different Brizy way. And let's talk about how you bring in elements and then also how you can easily resize them. In fact, for some of them like the button, the only way you can resize them. I have a story here that I've loaded from the templates, and let's add a new slide here. I'll just create an empty one. And then you can do it like usual, bring in an element. If you've never played around, I want to draw your attention to this little element over here called the shape. Not available in the Brizy Builder, but very much available in the Story Builder. To bring in an element, you are used to the drag and drop. But also you can simply, let's undo that, Control Z, Command Z, click on it, and it will drop it in the center of the slide. Select the element by clicking on it. And now, instead of going to settings and changing anything, you will see you have the handles that you can use to resize the shape. Very, very simple. And in this case, in case you want to make it a circle, you simply go to our corners, and I'll just put it on percentage and you will have the oval, or you can use pixels. And then in that case, you will go ahead and you will style it out until you get it to something that works for you. Let's bring in a button. I'll drag that one to the top. And then when we select button, it'll drag the button in here. Normally you will go to the button settings and you will have the option here to change the width and the height, but not in this case. Again, select it and grab the handles and you drag the button to the size that you want. And then naturally you will just go into the text as well and change the size of the text. Let me reduce the line height. Let's bring in an icon. And this time, let's give the icon a different color. Select it. And there you go. Same thing. A friend for SpongeBob. If you've never worked with Stories, check out the videos here on the YouTube channel, because Stories really opens up a different world in how you can engage your visitors. It's good for menus. It's good for invitations, events. A really easy way to share on a platform like WhatsApp, where people are on their phone, and when they click on the link, it will be ready for mobile display. For more videos like this and to stay up to date on everything that's happening Brizyland, make sure to subscribe here to the YouTube channel and then hop on over to brizy.io for everything and more. Until next time.